remember one time, you know, I've been to heaven in different throne rooms a few times, and every time I was in a throne room, he has a different throne rooms for different things. I watched him create the world one time. It was the most amazing thing you ever see.
Okay.
Anyway, the white throne, it's set on about...
White seats really the police, people that see what's going on in the car. So let's bring in
Jesus.
champions with us.
Republican Party of Pennsylvania versus Veronica DeGraffenreid, acting Secretary of Pennsylvania, and Jake Corman, I don't know Jake Corman, versus the Bible.
Because the Bible, it says when husband
Oh my God. Thanks. Great job.
Because I don't know what's going to change about at all. I don't know.
Oh my God. Seriously.
Frequent listener to the show. And
Nope, no one in there.
question that you're asking.
And no one in there.
Open to having evidence.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know how anybody can be a regular listener.
Is this you?
Yeah,
You're in the bike lane.
I know.
You know?
Pick up.
That's not where you park cars. That's where bikes go. Yeah, it is. You're in my way too. Learn how to drive. Okay. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Wow. Wow. I was already signaling, but no, guy wanted to go, just had to go around me. Jesus Christ, what are people on?
Yes. Rage. Yep.
Yes.
Yep. And Jaden is Katai Rage?
Yeah.
I think. And Jaden,
Where are you going?
so let's just
Oh.
put this out there. If this was an intentionally
Good
comic
job.
performance about a complete and total shit.
Sometimes it's nice to have a long trip, but I don't know, kind of depending on where business is. Like, night like tonight, dude, turn your lights on. God, I hate that. Like, right now, I'm not trying to go to Bellevue. We go with traffic.
His wife, yes, and one of the other advocates, yes. But basically, they're sharing like all the same things he said in that sermon, but with basically nicer language.
Over.
He still says, give it a ticket out of context. It's not. Let us share with you the context in which it was intended. Well, where's the video? I want to see the video.
There you go. That's what you do. Use your signal if you're going to switch lanes like that. Good driver. Oh my God. Seriously? You're going the wrong way. Where's your kid's helmet? Jesus Christ. Like a 5-year-old kid on there, too.
That is absolutely correct. So that brings us to the big trial. Reardon shows up at the courthouse, but he goes full sovereign citizen.
Not how you park.
Spells his name in lowercase letters, and he refuses to participate in their charade.
Great parking. Good job. Look at your handlebars. It says not on the sidewalk. Not on the sidewalk. It says right on your handlebars.
See?
All good.
This guy's the lieutenant governor of North Carolina. He's not.
Oh, that was. Can't park there. No parking anytime. That includes right now. Go. Not a stop sign. I don't know why everybody thinks that that's a stop sign.
Sovereign citizens, and like it's hard to explain the 45 minutes in power.
I tried 2 sovereign citizens.
Oh my God, we've got to go down this rabbit trail here.
No,
Not your light.
So
Pay attention.
These were run-of-the-mill murderers, right? They killed somebody in DC.
And now it's time for... You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
I believe they had more murderers than I can remember. But there were people who were going around literally giving seminars on how to claim your sovereign
no one in
citizen
there.
to use as a defense in your criminal trial.
Not even anyone in that U-Haul.
The court system
Classic.
is not really equipped to deal with.
Man, look at this asshole. So no one in there. They're just parked in the middle of the street. There's a parking spot literally right there. Definitely big enough for this van. I mean, seriously, look at this shit. Van is just stopped in the middle of the road. It's an entire parking spot right here that they looked like they were in perfect position to start the backing up process, but they gave up. No one in there now. Oh, here's parking enforcement. I've been here like 20 to 30 minutes and there's no one in there.
So, was that for... Okay, I'll come back.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you. Justice is about to be served. Oh my God. Literally as soon as these assholes come out. No, don't leave, man. Okay, he's coming back. Because they're finally parking.
Stupid and not a thing that any smart lawyer should
Yay, they fixed it.
until you hold a special hearing.
That was fun.
You could change your mood by infusing water with color. You take a glass of water, and then you would take some sort of liquid.
And some of our colleagues within the university community have taken such fire on this campus. And sometimes it isn't friendly, wounding students and the parents of students who are confused about what so much recent flag waving and parade holding on the issue means.
Confused.
End quote. They're confused. So, just to be clear,
Oh my god, really? Really? Wow. You're an idiot. That's a bike lane, not a parking spot. Bike lane, not a parking spot.
Say 120, 150 times, and God is good. And before you know it, it's
Oh
all
my
you're
God.
thinking about. Exactly. Exactly.
Good job.
Exactly. You are greatly appreciated. I hope you're safe out there. Keep kicking, okay?
Oh shit.
They are not
Fuck
living
you.
for the Lord Jesus Christ. They're living for
He's only 16 on the grid. Nothing Red Bull can do about that. So the standard goes to some trucks with the support.
If only there was a bike lane to ride that on.
His best time in Q1 as well. That 1:10.4 from Lando Norris, that is not going to be quick enough to get through into Q3 on the evidence that we are seeing so far. On board with Valtteri Bottas, but he and Hamilton on flying laps already. Bottas 0.3 of a second behind.
What is that person
the
doing?
first sector, and about 0.4 in the middle sector as well as he goes second fastest overall.
They just had to change lanes right there. Slow down, dude. Why is that necessary? Especially when there's rogue tree branches in the road.
Very clear. I don't have any independent evidence that Officer Potter intended to do that. But when you're a prosecutor, you want to at least explore that possibility.
This is such a tough thing because obviously you're here strong.
TV show. Yeah, his whole thing in this TV show is. Sorry, is that all to your story? Is that what this TV show is about? This TV show is so fucking boring. I don't want to be in this TV show anymore.
It's like at the end, Pip, you guys ever seen Now You See Me?